Hello Soul Family, welcome to Trupti's Tarot Predictions. This is weekly predictions from 25th of October till 31st of October. Scorpio season has already started on October 22nd and it will remain till November 22nd. So it's a 1 month duration time. Mostly it is affecting your relationships. Okay, when I say relationships, that does not necessarily mean romantic relationships. Okay, that also means that your relationship with your friends, relationship with your colleagues, business partners, um, each and every part of relationships. Okay, kinds of relationships. So yeah, relationships will be intense at this time. Okay, since Scorpio is in water sign, so yeah, lots of intense energies are there around your relationship. So and yes, also since this is Scorpio, under Scorpio season has started, please take care of your intuition. I mean to say, please listen to your intuition. Okay, whatever to your intuition is guiding towards you, okay, please follow that path. Okay, so yes, relationships will be intense. Okay, say sorry, uh, take care of your relationships. Okay, invest into your relationships. If suppose you like something, if at all you are working on some partnership, if at all you are working on some anything, okay, anything related to relationships, take care. Okay, so yeah, and let's start with the weekly for predictions. That is it from my side for the energy update. And as you know the format, okay, I'll be pulling out 3 cards for your person's energy towards you, 3 cards for your energy towards your person, 3 cards for your mutual relationship energy, 3 cards for the general energy, okay, for you. And keep one question in mind. I'll be answering that question at the end of the reading. Okay, so yeah, let's start. Okay, I must clarify this card. Great. Okay, so I'm first reading out your energy towards your person. Okay, that is, let's start with you. So, one cycle is ending. Okay, that is the most prominent energy. And this cycle, okay, let me tell you, this cycle is all about sadness. This cycle is all about negative feelings, negative emotions towards your person. Okay, maybe due to situational changes. Okay, maybe due to any reason. Okay, maybe they have not listened to you, maybe it is your own energy. Okay, you were into just dwelling into those energies. Okay, so these energies, okay, are getting over. Okay, this cycle is getting closed just to initiate the new beginnings. Okay, why is it so happening? Okay, and what you should do? Okay, and what is your energy? Whatever is holding you from your past. Okay, I always say, do not judge anything, whatever lies in your future or present, as per your past. Okay, in the past maybe certain things have happened. Okay, maybe you have not liked certain patterns or certain some things. Okay, but that does not necessarily mean that this in the present also same things or same patterns will be repeated. Okay, so please, first of all, clear out that energy. Do not judge anything, anyone. Okay, or yourself also, or the relationship on the basis of past. Okay, whatever has happened in the past. Second thing, trust me, whatever emotional feelings, emotional dilemma, whatever emotional things you are dwelling at, okay, during, I say this is the energy of last 15 days or more, so okay, so this cycle is ending, okay, so do not hesitate to end this cycle, okay. It is not that actually something is ending, okay, but yeah, certain patterns, certain emotions are getting over, so let them go, okay. Why it is happening? Just to have a stable, committed, beautiful relationship, okay. So two things two things you should do, okay. Do not judge, do not indulge into past, okay, whatever has happened in the past. Second thing, if certain things are getting closed, let them close, because until and unless something gets closed, nothing new will get initiated, okay. So that is the main energy. Those are the main energies for you, I mean from your side to your person, okay. That is it. I'll just show you the cards. Four of Wands, Eight of Swords, Death and Rebirth, okay. So see, do not get tied up due to past thing, okay. Whatever has happened in the past is past because of certain reasons. Let certain things remain in the past itself, okay. Do not bring it into the present or future, okay. See, it's not only the death. Until and unless death happens, rebirth will not happen, okay. So one cycle is getting ended. Why? Just to begin new cycle. See, until and unless this whole cycle, until and unless you cross this path, okay, see, the star, the new beginning will not get initiated. And what is the new beginning? What is it leading towards? Okay, it is leading towards a beautiful new beginning, okay. New beginning in the sense committed relationship, okay. One step ahead in the relationship, okay. So this I personally believe, as per the psychic messages, this was last 15 days or more so energy, okay. So yeah, whatever it is, whatever duration it is, but just get it over, okay. That is from your side towards your person. Now what's happening? What are the energies from your person towards you, okay. So whatever they are having, okay, they are trying to first of all, they are trying to protect the energies, okay, protect whatever they have, okay. And why they are doing so? Okay, because certain things have happened unexpectedly. Certain things have changed, either in their life, or either with you, or in the relationship, okay. Take howsoever it resonates, okay. So, and these things have happened. Why? Because like I always say, universe interferes in our life. Why? Because we do not listen to universe, okay. Because we think whatever we do, that is the correct path, and to shed off certain things from our life, okay, universe has to intervene, okay. So in the same manner, okay, certain things has happened in their life. Personally, I believe from the psychic messages, this was related to their personal, in the sense their family life. Something has happened, okay. So yeah, certain things has happened just to show them mirror, okay. Okay, that is also an important energy, okay, to show them mirror towards you, for the relationship, okay. What is best for them, okay. If this relationship is best for them, so God has to intervene, universe has to intervene to show them that this is your path, okay. And now, since they have recognized, okay, they have realized from this tower moment, okay, from this unexpected changes, unexpected whatever situation has happened, okay, they have started protecting whatever love, affection, whatever energies they have got towards you, okay. And and all these changes are leading them towards you, okay. And for that, whatever, if suppose in the past they have not made any kind of decision, they lack the courage, okay, in the past, okay, so now they are gathering that courage, okay, that they are gathering that courage, they are coming towards you, and they do not need anyone else at this very moment, okay, to make the decision, to take control of the situation, to come towards you, to take control of the relationship. They do not need anyone else, they do not need anyone else's support, they do not need anyone else's nod, okay, for this relationship. No, nothing. They feel they are good enough. So yeah, I should say this is a realization moment for them. This was a realization moment for them, and this is what this week these things will happen, okay. I'll just show you the cards, okay. Nine of Wands. I'll just show you what has happened, okay. It was the Tower moment that has come into your life, into their life, or maybe your life, or maybe for the relationship. Something has happened, okay. So everything, whatever has built up, okay, that has fallen down. Everything, whatever was negative, has shed off. For you also, it was the same energy, death and rebirth. It is similar energies. Destruction leading towards construction. Okay, sometimes remember my words, sometimes it is very much important, okay. So yeah, this was your energy, this is their energy. Equal, similar. I should not say equal, but yeah, similar, okay. So yeah, and after that they have started protecting the energies. They have kind of realized your value, okay. Intuition, Scorpio season, baby, trust into your intuition, okay, and they have started doing that, and they are coming towards you. They are taking the leap of faith. Good energies. You are also doing the same. So yeah, you both are in good energies. Let's see what is there in store for you for the mutual relationship energy. Always, always, always trust into your intuition, okay, that is one thing. Second thing, take control of the emotions. Trust in your intuition, trust in your emotions, okay. Do not get indulged into past, okay. Do not be in dual mindset. Your thoughts, your emotions, and your actions should be in sync with each other, okay. This is for you, this is for them, this is for both of you, okay, to lead towards this. Say it's a transitional period for both of you, okay. Even if you are going towards a new pattern, new beginning, stable relationship, everything stable, but since you are coming, you in the sense you both, okay, you both are coming, or the relationship is coming out of storm, okay. So to get stabilized in the energies, okay, you need to make certain changes. And what are these changes? Heart, mind, and the action should be in sync, should get balanced. Do not get caught into old patterns. The past is past. You are enough. Trust into your intuition, your emotions, wherever your emotions are driving you towards, okay. I will not say be emotional and less practical, no, be practical also, but trust whatever your emotions are. If at all you are feeling love towards them, express. Scorpio season, express your love, okay. Even if it is a new relationship, okay, even if you just like somebody, okay, or even if it is a business relationship that you are looking forward, okay, so express your emotions. That is much more important. So yeah, this is for your mutual relationship. Let's see what is there for your personal thing, okay, apart from love. many times the same message will come up. Sometimes life offers us good things, okay, but we either do not value them, or either the person who is offering the same, okay, we do not value them, that is the reason we do not offer, we do not accept their offer, or it so happen that we take certain things for granted, okay. So for your overall, the interpretation is, the overall, the prediction is, the overall guidance is, okay, whatever is been offered to you, before rejecting it, or rather before accepting it, okay, think twice, okay. Don't reject it at the face value, okay. Think about it, okay. Do not leave any situation just because certain things are not working out at this very moment does not mean that they will never ever work out, okay. Have faith in universe, okay. Have faith in divine timing, that is it. And sometimes you need to take control of the situation, okay. Sometimes, or rather many a times, oftentimes, okay, it is necessary for you to take action. So take one step ahead. God will bless you, universe will show you the path, but you should also take one step, okay. That is more important. I'll just show you the cards. Four of Cups. Whatever has been offered to you, before rejecting it or even accepting whatever, think twice, okay. Don't just leave the situation in sadness, okay. You don't have to. You don't have to. Why are you doing that, okay? Why are you doing that? Think about this, okay. Don't get into this notion. Think about this. Take control of the situation. Take one step ahead. At least take one step ahead. Divine will bless you. God will show you the way, okay. But at least take one step, okay. That is it from my side. Keep one question in mind, okay. Let's see what angels are guiding us. Any question, okay, not specific to romantic thing, okay. So I love my higher self. Shall I say this out loud or just, let me just show you the cards first. Where is the card? Have I lost it? Big happy changes. Go ahead. You are enough. You don't need anyone. This is for them. Big happy changes. Commitment. Stability. One step ahead in relationship. Whatever question you have asked. Big happy changes. Scorpio season. Relationships. Any relationships. These big happy changes does not necessarily mean towards romantic thing, okay. It can be that you are working for your promotion, for you have given the interview, looking out job overseas. What else? Overall big happy changes, okay. Express love, express your emotions, go forward for that deal. Anything and everything, big happy changes, okay. So yeah, that's it from my side. Thank you for being here with me. Okay, and yeah, that's it. If at all you have not subscribed my channel, please do that. Please share my channel, the video. Okay, and if at all you have got any feedback, I would love to hear that. Okay, may my higher self bless you. Thank you so much. Namaste.